pavements are controlled by the local council, and clearly they can't have just anyone digging up their pavements. What we've been doing with Shropshire Council as part of our trial is creating a blueprint that can be used, or at the very least can act as a start point for all councils and authorities. The objective being a simple, streamlined approvals and adoption process that could be implemented nationwide. Such a system could go like this. The resident goes online to the local council website and they complete an application form. The applicant is introduced to suitable contractors. The contractor selected by the applicant will then supply images of the pavement to the council, showing exactly where the installation will go. The approved contractor will then install Pavecross. Once in the ground, the contractor will send detailed images of the completed work to the council, enabling adoption. Importantly, however, the council will only adopt the rubber base channel. After adoption, the council will be responsible for its maintenance. The rubber base channel has a nice green story. It's manufactured using recycled truck tyres. The process is already used widely to manufacture rubber curbstones, and the result is incredibly durable and already well known to council highway departments. Essentially, the Pavecross base channel will form part of the pavement structure. It's designed to cope with normal ground movement or to be driven over. It is super durable and ready to take on anything that could be thrown at it. After installation, the council will maintain it, that is, in as much as it requires maintenance, as it's virtually maintenance-free. At the same time as the adoption, the council will issue an annual licence, permitting the residents to install Pavecross's rotational mechanism. This will remain the property and responsibility of the resident, but the strict terms and conditions of the annual licence will allow the council to police its safe use. It is felt that this, or something very close, could work for councils right across the country. The combined cost of a smart charger, cable and Pavecross installed is likely to be in the region of £1,500, including VAT. Obviously, no one is going to buy Pavecross without a home charger. We think, therefore, that many will buy Pavecross rather as they would a mobile phone, and we anticipate a range of financing options that will become available.